Quick info before the video. If you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to execute a TWAP order on Hyperliquid. Website is app.hyperliquid.xyz. Before we start, let's change margin mode to isolated, as I prefer this one. Okay, let's click on Pro button, which is next to Limit 1. From the list, choose TWAP. Use the slider to choose how much funds you want to use. Next, let's put the running time of our order. Keep in mind that minimum is 5 minutes and maximum is 24 hours. I will go with 5 minutes just to show you guys how it works. If you want to execute order in a random time frames, you can check Randomize box. If not, your order will be executed with the frequency you see under Place Order button. Okay, once you are ready, click on Place Order. As you can see, now it is fully working. If you want to cancel it, click on Terminate button on the TWAP section. And that's it. Now you know how to execute this kind of order on Hyperliquid. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.